Um, when you say, what is your state of mind today?
What is my state of mind? Today lang ba?
Well, today, yesterday, you know.
I'm good.
You go
I'm
ahead.
good. I'm chill. I'm okay.
Ganda. Oo, sabi ko, nung una akong pumasok ko dito sa studio, parang there's a certain sparkle about you. Ganda.
There should always be a sparkle.
Ay, ang ganda nun.
Di ba? Dapat naman laging may
Tama.
sparkle, laging may... Huwag naman fire. Masyado mainit yun. So, baka dapat laging may brightness.
Sabi ni Jelly, ang dami mo raw mga hobbies ngayon. Nagpipaint ka.
Ay, nako, Tito Boy, I'm a hobby girl.
Talaga?
Yeah, because I always want to make use of my time. Una-una, I'm not a person who can just sit there and not do anything. Yung
So you're into
sinasabi
painting
nila
now?
na Iga, nagpe-painting ako. I do my other crafts, like I make gift tags.
Ganda.
I cook. I still cook.
You have one of the best kalyos and napakasapo ng cookies.
Yan.
Oo,
Yan.
talagang ano. And then, aside from your hobbies, sabi ko nga, I can identify with you. Ang hilig-hilig mo mag-ayos ng bahay.
Yes, sobra, Tito Boy.
Bakit?
Alam mo, masama ako pag nasa bahay ako.
Dahil?
Kasi pag nakaupo ako sa bahay, I sit there, nitingnan ko. Ano kaya ang pwede kong ayusin dito? Ano kaya pwede kong baguhin dito? Sahig ba? Pa-paint ko ba tong kwarto ko? I'm always looking for something to fix, to move around.
At minsan, kahit hindi pa, halimbawa, sira, halimbawa, ang tiles, but you just don't like the way it looks now,
Yeah.
papapalitan mo.
Oo. I know, it's bad. Kasi, siguro kasi, ang bilis ng trabaho natin. You know, our
Correct.
life, we live fast lives. Madali tayong mabore.
Right.
Hindi ko naman kayang lumipat ng bahay.
May isa pang
So,
salita.
ayusin ko na lang yung bahay ko.
May isa pang salita na ginamit si Jelly. Nagkwentuhan kami. Alam mo naman ang sister ko ngayon. She has dinner, she has lunches. She's a social butterfly now.
Yes, I know.
Totoo.
It's weird. I just said it kanina. Wala pa naman akong show na ginagawa. Pero bakit parang busy-busy ako? Kasi dalas kang magpa-makeup.
Okay.
Which is so not me.
Okay.
Ang dalas kong magpa-makeup.
Some things are
Ang
changing.
dalas kong bumili ng damit, pumunta sa event. Bakit parang ang busy ko?
Okay.
Diba?
At ang
It's
sagot-
not a bad thing.
No, it's
It's
not.
just weird.